Are you constantly, almost every moment, getting totally depressed, frustrated, literally wanting to give up as of yesterday? Just because no matter how much you try, no matter what you do, no matter how much you plan, things are just not panning out the way it should. None of whatever you're trying to do in life just seems to bear fruit. Or worse still, are you in a financial vortex of debts because no matter whatever investments you made into your venture, enterprise, business, whatever have you, just didn't give you the ROIs that you dreamt it would. If you're going through that, then let's find a wonderful way out of it all. Welcome back to the musings of an old Maverick. Welcome back to the archives of my life. And I have a story right from in there, just for you, to remove all your frustrations, your depressions, your near decisions of planning to give up. Don't do it. Hear me out first. So let me tell you about my passion to drive manual cars. That's true. Manual cars, not the automatic ones. When I learned to drive 4 decades ago, there weren't anything called automatic cars. They were all manual cars. And let me tell you, I am so blessed to have learned how to drive a manual car because even though automatic cars exist in my family, I would never touch them. You know why? It's so impersonal. It is so impersonal. All you gotta do is get in the car and then ignition key, or now there's a button there, and then, well, the accelerator, the brakes, the wheels, that's all you have. It is so impersonal. But imagine driving a manual car. You develop an amazing relationship with the vehicle. I don't call it a vehicle, I call it this beautiful machine. There's a romance that I share with that machine of mine. I know exactly when she needs to be warmed up. I know exactly when I need to put her in the first gear, when she's ready to take on the second gear, when she is now ready to run and you put on to the third gear and then you listen and then she says, hit me on a fourth, let me fly, then you hit to fourth and then cruise, and then both of us cruising, arm in arm, we with each other, enjoying every moment of the drive. It's not impersonal. This is romance, where my passion to drive cars, my vision to be one of the world's best drivers. Well, I don't know whether that's really worth it now, not at this age, but I still can do it maybe. And my capabilities of being an amazing driver. That's true. 4 decades. And when all these four dissolve into each other, that machine I'm in becomes an amazing extension of myself. And we express every angle of efficiency together while driving. Now, what's so important about this particular incident or this particular piece from my archives? The day your vision, your passion, and your capabilities dissolve into each other and become one, you will create a masterpiece. That's why you are right now where you are. you haven't understood this or realized this. First of all, let's begin with the you. Are you fit? Is your mind healthy? Are you physically healthy? Are you physically fit? Is your mind and your body and your energy, which is actually you, well aligned? Do you meditate often? How much do you work out at the gym? How much can you mentally and physically take on? Because the journey of turning your dreams into realities isn't an easy one at all. Next, your vision. How crystal clear is your vision? How laser focused are you on your vision? If I had to wake you up in the middle of the night, could you rattle it out to me without hesitation? Your passion. How passionate are you really? Are you chasing the money or are you chasing the amazing reality that you finally can create? Which of the two? Finally, the fourth one. Your capabilities. Are all your capabilities entwined with your passion, your vision, and most importantly, you? Because if all these four are lined in, then you will, like I said, create a masterpiece. You just don't need yourself or your vision or just your passion. You need to also bind them all up with your right capabilities. So don't chase a dream that doesn't involve your capabilities. And let me tell you once again, when they all dissolve into each other, you will create a masterpiece. Now, here's a bit of a advice or tip, or whichever way you want to look at it. Can you tell me why cars have brakes? I bet you can't. And I'll tell you why. Cars have brakes not only to stop the car, but more importantly, to give you the freedom and confidence to drive at top-notch speeds. Because you know you can press on the brakes anytime you want to go off that speed. So here's the tip. Always, before you start that journey, check the brakes out. This is Anand Nair, signing off for now. I'll see you soon, very, very soon, with another vlog. Till then, hey, you take care.